Looking for a fun, low-mileage ride? Check out this 2017 Fiat 500 Abarth with only 35,000 miles. With a clean Carfax, dealer service history, and current Georgia state emissions, this sporty little car is ready to go. It also comes with the original owner's books for added peace of mind. This Fiat is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty. Plus, you can take advantage of a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price when you purchase, in addition to the advertised price. And don't forget, we offer a lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We understand buying a car is a big decision, which is why we encourage a pre-purchase inspection for your peace of mind. Please note that any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, including the warranty and 5-year service plan. Don't miss out on this exceptional 2017 Fiat 500 Abarth. Contact us today to schedule a test drive and ask about upgrading your warranty.